This is how the mailman has taken care of packages. And this has came from eBay. I purchased Studio 3 Beats Dr. Dre wireless headphones. I decided to get the color blue, and these are refurbished, not new, so it's cheaper than the brand new ones. These are the Studio 3s, not the Solos. Comes outside my ear. There's noise cancellation on the outside of the phone. So once you put these headphones on, you can't hear noise outside. It has 3 operation modes. You're able to do MP3, FM, or line connect using or auto jack. It does look like it has a unit for the TAF card, but I don't know how that would particularly work yet because my instructions small. The LED indicator, the light will turn blue and red and it flashes. See it? It's blinking, and is the Bluetooth beat. And it found it right away, and I hit connect. And it's connecting. Okay. If you notice, it's showing that it's the Beat Studio, and it's showing that it is connected by done, but it's also showing you how much percentage I have battery juice on my headphones. Where on the iPad, dated 9.7 iPad, does not show the battery juice. This is an iPhone 6, and it's showing you the battery juice of the Beats. I hit done, and it is now connected. It didn't drop off any of my other connections or all my other Bluetooths. It turns blue when you connect it successfully to your Bluetooth device. The MP3 will slowly flash. The FM will be a steady blue. The band is very soft to the touch on the inside. They're very flexible. These are adjustable. Easy slide down. They have fast fuel. 10 minutes of charging equals 3 hours of listening time. The battery on ANC on gives you 22 hours of playtime. If the NC is off, it gives you 40 hours of playtime. And that is on a low mode. It has capability of auto share. It does come with the remote cord to be able to remotely control and cut off when it is wired. It does have wireless MP3 FM mode with a short press, refuse a call with a long press, and redial if you hit it twice. It does have the W1 chip single strength that gives you 100 feet distance from your device to your headphones and still listen to it in clarity. It has the ability to fold in for great storage. Just lift up and go down on both ends. Just lift it up. Easy. And it will go down. And it's great for storage. They do come with a hard case. Mine did not come with the hard case because it's refurbished. So I'll probably have to buy a carrying case. You are able to exchange your earpieces if they get worn out. They sell them at Amazon, eBay. Your likes up. If you like this video, slap that subscribe button because you want to see more.